famous last words, but I think I'll just time lapse me throwing tower shaft in, exhaust back on. Then it's the battery, and then hopefully the clutch works at least. The vehicle is now back together. What I'm going to do is just double check I'm not forgetting anything, but that's everything. Going to drain this oil out of this box, chuck that new oil in. From there, wash my hands and go for a test run. Be close to the exhaust. Would you believe it's all done? At least we think. I have to wash my hands, then start it up, feel the clutch, and see how we go.